this market seems to bounce around back and forth, a lot of it based on what we're getting out of Washington. So how can investors deal with that? Well, I'm here with Alan Valdez from DME Securities. So Alan, you have been pointing out that the market keeps hitting these certain key levels and then moving around, moving off of that, and that's how, if you're going to be in this market, you got to look at these levels and play off of them.
Yeah, because if you look at what's really going on, you break it down, you see the volume isn't that heavy. So it's mainly professional traders trading this, and they're trading off the S&P. The S&P will get to 14, well, like say today, it'll get to like say 1465. If it doesn't break through, it'll sell off and they'll start selling. So it's this constant churning. Now last year we did have a good year, all things considered. I mean, the market was up pretty nicely. And I think you'll see similar action this year because for everything we're doing, we're just spinning our wheels. I mean, nothing's really been done with the debt ceiling when everything, we're just kicking the can down the road. For all the talk in Europe, I mean, there's been good talk out of Europe the last few months, but still, unemployment's still over 50% in a lot of, especially the the Club Med countries, and they still have no money. They still have a problem. Here in the United States, we still have a problem here. Unemployment, you still have 45 million people on food stamps. So I think at the end of the day, this market's going to be a trading market because you're going to have that volatility. Look to trade the volatility. It's very rare we're going to come in and see a market up $2 or down $1. This market's always going to be churning.
All right, and so what Alan is also suggesting is when you look at it and you're trading this way, don't look for those home runs, but go for the singles and doubles, and then they'll add up throughout the year.
Yeah, great point. And as a matter of fact, analysts, we get a lot of analyst reports, and a lot of analysts now are saying, hey, if you buy this here, and you might want to get out in a couple of months at this level. They're not even, the buy and hold, when I was a young person, you buy and hold for 10 years. That philosophy seems to be out the window right now. Even analysts, like I just mentioned, are just becoming traders. So yeah, look for the get to first, get to second. Don't look for that home run because it might not be there.
All right, well, there you heard it. Go for those singles and doubles. That's Alan Valdez. And I'm Deborah Borchardt reporting for The Street.